6 Best RV Leveling Blocks. Have you ever struggled to keep your RV stable on uneven ground? In this review, we're counting down the 6 best RV leveling blocks that can improve stability, support proper camper leveling, and make setup easier at any campsite. Stay tuned to discover which options deliver the best performance and value. After watching, be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices of the 6 best RV leveling blocks. Let's get started. Number 1. Tri-Lynx Lynx Levelers. If you've spent time at uneven campsites, you've likely seen these leveling blocks before. The Tri-Lynx Lynx Levelers are one of the most recognized options in the best RV leveling blocks category. They use a simple interlocking design that lets you build the exact height you need. The blocks are made in the USA and feel durable in daily use. I like how they snap together securely and stay organized inside the included nylon storage bag. The bright orange color also makes them easy to spot around a campsite. For travel trailers, motorhomes, and camper vans, they handle most leveling and stabilizing jobs without much effort. In real-world camping, setup is quick. You can create a small lift for minor corrections or stack several blocks for larger adjustments. The only drawback is that the 10-pack may not be enough for bigger RVs that need extra height. Some campers end up buying a second set. Verdict: Tri-Lynx is great for RV owners who want proven reliability. Skip it if you need maximum height for one package. Its biggest strength is the sturdy interlocking design, making it a strong choice for everyday camping trips.
Number 2. OULEME 12-Pack RV Leveling Blocks. The OULEME 12-Pack offers more blocks right out of the box. If you camp on uneven ground often, those extra pieces can make a difference. The interlocking design works much like premium leveling systems and gives you flexible height options. These blocks feel sturdy under travel trailers and campers. I found the larger pack useful when leveling both wheels and stabilizer jacks. The included carrying bag keeps everything together, which helps during quick campsite departures. Because the blocks lock together, they don't shift much while positioning your RV. For weekend campers, this kit provides plenty of versatility. You'll have enough pieces for most leveling situations without buying a second pack. The plastic construction is solid, though it may not feel quite as refined as some long-established brands. Still, performance remains dependable for regular camping use. Verdict: buy this if you want extra leveling blocks at a reasonable price. Skip it if brand reputation matters most. Its biggest strength is the 12-block capacity, making it a strong choice for flexible campsite leveling.
Number 3. RVMATE 12-Pack RV Leveling Blocks. The RVMATE 12-Pack is built for campers who want a sturdy and flexible leveling system. These heavy-duty blocks use an interlocking design that lets you create different heights for many campsite conditions. The blocks also work well with both single-wheel and dual-wheel trailers. During testing, the blocks felt solid under load and showed little flex. I like the larger 12-piece count because it gives you more setup options than many standard kits. They also help reduce trailer movement when used under stabilizing points. The carrying handle design makes storage simple between trips. At real campsites, these blocks perform best for travel trailers and larger RVs that need extra support. The stackable design is easy to understand, even for new RV owners. The blocks are slightly bulkier than some alternatives, so they take up a bit more storage space. Most campers won't find that a major issue. Verdict: buy this if you want strong support and extra leveling flexibility. Skip it if storage space is very limited. Its biggest strength is heavy-duty stability, making it a strong choice for larger campers and trailers.
Number 4. CARMTEK Camper Leveler Premium Kit. The CARMTEK Camper Leveler Premium Kit takes a different approach from traditional RV leveling blocks. Instead of stacking pieces, you drive onto curved levelers until your camper reaches the desired height. This system can save a lot of setup time at uneven campsites. The kit includes curved levelers, wheel chocks, rubber mats, and a carry bag. During use, leveling feels fast and precise. Small adjustments are easier because you simply roll forward instead of adding or removing blocks. The rubber mats also help improve grip on slick surfaces. This kit works especially well for single-axle and tandem-axle travel trailers. Many campers appreciate how quickly they can level without guessing stack height. The premium design costs more than standard block systems. It also isn't as useful for stabilizer jack support, since it's designed mainly for wheel leveling. Verdict: buy this if you want the fastest leveling process possible. Skip it if you prefer traditional stackable blocks. Its biggest strength is speed and precision, making it a strong premium choice for frequent RV travelers.
Number 5. RVMATE Camper Levelers 8-Piece Kit. This RVMATE camper levelers kit focuses on speed and convenience. Like other curved leveler systems, it lets you drive onto the ramps until your RV reaches the right position. The kit includes 2 curved levelers, 2 wheel chocks, 2 rubber grip mats, and a storage bag. During use, the levelers provide smooth and controlled adjustments. I like the rubber mats because they help prevent slipping on gravel, concrete, and packed dirt. The wheel chocks lock the position securely once leveling is complete. Everything fits neatly inside the carry bag, which makes storage easy. This system works best for travel trailer owners who want faster setup times. You won't need to stack blocks or estimate height changes. The leveling range is excellent for most campsites. It does cost more than basic block sets, and it isn't intended to replace stabilizer blocks under jacks. Verdict: buy this if you want quick leveling with fewer steps. Skip it if you need a multi-purpose block system. Its biggest strength is a fast and accurate setup, making it a strong choice for frequent campers.
Number 6. CARMTEK Fasten RV Leveling Blocks. CARMTEK has been a trusted RV accessory brand for years, and these leveling blocks remain a popular option. The interlocking design lets you build custom heights, while the carrying handle twists into place to keep the blocks together during storage. The blocks measure 8.5 inches square and work with trailers, motorhomes, and camper vans. I found the storage system especially convenient because it reduces loose pieces around the campsite. The bright yellow color also makes them easy to find when packing up. Setup is straightforward, even for first-time RV owners. These blocks perform well for wheel leveling and stabilizer support. The 10-pack handles many situations, though larger RVs may need additional blocks for bigger corrections. The design has been proven through years of camping use, which adds confidence when traveling. Verdict: buy these blocks if you want a dependable and easy-to-store leveling system. Skip it if you need maximum height from one package. Its biggest strength is simple, proven performance, making it a strong choice for most RV owners. Which best RV leveling block should you buy? If you want the best overall choice, the Tri-Lynx levelers stand out for durability, reliability, and long-term camping use. For the best budget choice, the OULEME 12-pack delivers plenty of blocks and good performance at a lower cost. If you want a premium leveling system, the CARMTEK Camper Leveler Premium Kit offers the fastest and most precise setup. The RVMATE 12-pack is excellent for larger trailers that need extra support. The RVMATE Camper Levelers Kit is ideal for campers who value quick leveling. The CARMTEK Fasten RV leveling blocks remain a dependable option with excellent storage convenience.